Hi guys, welcome back to the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make potatoes and spinach with a creamy horseradish dressing. Okay, for this dish we're going to need some potatoes, red potatoes, white potatoes, whichever is good. These are new potatoes, they're nice with the skin. Then some spinach, not baby spinach, this is bigger kind of spinach. Some onion, garlic, and for spices we have cayenne pepper, cumin, paprika, marjoram. Now this is for the dressing, which is just yogurt and some horseradish sauce. Okay, so for this dish we're going to start cooking our potatoes. Now we want our potatoes very mashed, and at the end we're going to add some spinach to it and make the dressing later. So this hot oil will get hot. I'm going to add my potatoes. Okay, to this I'm going to add my onions. We're going to mash this anyway, so we don't want to brown it too much. So onions, garlic, all my garlic, and the spices. Now these spices are just to give some kick to it. Okay, so the potatoes, now I added all my seasoning to it. Now we're going to cook this on low heat for at least 5 minutes so the potatoes can become mashed. If you want to add water, you can add water, but just let it cook well till we mash it after 5 minutes. Okay, so now the potatoes are cooked the way I want it to cook, and you're going to gently mash it, not fully mashed, but gently mash it. So now we mashed it, semi-mashed it. To this I'm going to add my spinach and just cover it and let the spinach wilt for maybe 1 or 2 minutes by covering it in this heat. And then we're going to mix this together. Okay, so you can see how the spinach is just wilted. Now I'm going to just move it around, and you can add your seasoning, maybe some salt and pepper. I'm going to add some salt to this. I've added enough seasoning. The horseradish is going to give a nice kick to it. So okay, so now we're going to make the horseradish dressing to add into this. Okay, so now we're going to make our healthy horseradish dressing. Now I like it a good nice kick of horseradish on my potatoes, so I'm gonna add this, mix this well. Now definitely check the salt. I got enough salt and pepper in my potatoes, so all you do is mix this nice and well. Add some parsley for color, little chives, and just pour this on this yummy potatoes all the way through. So this is our mashed potatoes with spinach with a creamy horseradish dressing. Voila! Enjoy this dish. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Follow us on social media, and also subscribe to our blog, the topperchef.com blog. Happy cooking!